Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to make paprika powder with only one ingredient. So this is what I'm going to use, the pepper I'm going to use. This pepper is hot. So what you're going to do, just remove the stalk here, remove the stalk, then wash it. You can decide to deseed the seed. You can remove the seed. You can open up the pepper, remove the seed, or wash it and dehydrate it with the seed. Just remove only the stalk. Because this pepper is so pepperish, you can pepper your hand up to 2 days. So you have to be very careful. At times, even wearing gloves is still very hot. So I will show you guys. I have placed the paprika on the dehydrating tray. So I want to go and plug it now. I'm dehydrating the paprika. I'm going to dehydrate it for 10 hours. So I'll show you when I'm through. Hello everyone, this is the dehydrated paprika. As you can see, it's breaking, it's crunchy. So I'm going to blend it now into powder form. I finished blending the paprika. As you can see, the color is beautiful. So I want to store it now. I'm going to store it in this container. I'll put it inside. This is the cover of it. You have to make sure that it's airtight. I finished putting it into the container, so I'm going to close it now. So please subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Don't just watch and go. Watch and stay. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.